Good morning. We present you ZA008257, a red check pied cock. It's a very well-bred pigeon. His father is 802, direct son of Alwyn Super Pair 863384 and 37. The father has already bred the third overall best pigeon in South Africa 2024. So it's Sampo Silver. Bronze. The mother is a hen. I wanted to buy a full sister. The mother is a direct daughter of 264. The mother's full sister 1000 I wanted to buy from Andreas Drapa, but he didn't want to let her go. So he had the mother in the race loft. She was 17th ace at that stage when I bought her. Fantastic hen that we imported. So we have basically a line bred 264 from grandson 264 mated to daughter 264. It's a strong cock, very well balanced, as you can see. He's now on flight 3. Silky soft feathers. Thank you.